Hello everyone. Today I want to recommend a very useful Unity asset called Pixelated Tool. This tool allows you to easily create pixelated effects for both 2D and 3D game objects. You can freely adjust the pixel count and movement speed, which makes it perfect for retro-style games or stylized visual effects. Pixelated Tool is very easy to use and comes with multiple adjustable parameters, so you can fine-tune the effect to match your game's art style. It fully supports URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline, and it works on Windows, Android, and iOS, making it suitable for most Unity projects. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to add pixel effects to your game, this asset is definitely worth checking out. I put the purchase link in the video description, and you can also find it in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy game developing!